Right, fantastic morning. I was here somewhere quiet. Man, so they go to 7 at 12 so live or Badwam so and 7 at drop so there's a fata salt and open so yet aba na ye wala natural mineral water. Wala can honey then some bro wala de madika catch out that say and yen so bia na esa no man no mun so keke no mun so a we are sure say neman frafra mu na wonom na enkofa sem bia emfa emra. Te no sa no wanom wala ne wala natural mineral water ye sponsors and no pay say Joano Bernard Paddy Butwe me producers keju ankasa ni Erica Siedu Bwede that you can catch all that secretary debate pass on the 11th of October Accra Digital Center ina be kopi mu ne ahwe food and agriculture na fe de yedua ye be kyerewo ani so de huna amanyoku atelem yenu no ewo ede ema food and agriculture sector no ten ntini yese secretary debate sector hodo no bia me kyer na ni so de huna wo ede man ne hwe so mfanto aba ema no ti manempa ko ho ye 11th of October Accra Digital Center me share ho betim so ahwe live ewo ye Adom TV. The course of the various games, no, ebi the back-to-back wins, ebi so at the C form back on the area. The next round of games and ebi tonight, Europa League. Manchester United and the FC Porto and the Albany Besiktas, Frankfurt, Manchester United Brela, Yi Moani and the area Fenerbahce. Equa way to FC20 nothing so no Elfsborg ni Roma at the Appems Athletic Club Bilbao and the AZ Alkmaar nothing so Anderlecht aqua way to Real Sociedad Midtjylland so aqua way to Tel Aviv na Nice ni Lazio and so the Appems to Hoffenheim and the Dynamo Kiev na Ferencváros and so the Tottenham Hotspur at the Abwani way ni other games and Barcelona in the Conference League Chelsea won yes or won against Ghent. Yebe de chare no so sane besi akowe UEFA Champions League on sama and so ye de brewo hodboda ye kan sa no na ye wala natural mineral water or de sia konkon de nsam ne ba wala natural mineral water ye mrafie enche the Black Stars of Ghana when we gina kono den against Sudan na ye den se Ghana betumi asia kan wo Ghana na fe se ko Togo se ko Ivory Coast na yen sembebre ye the Ministry of Youth and Sports akane ho amane Accra Sports Stadium mo hwede e kaka kondia ya ready for that game against Sudan. Sergio Manucho di nsem nachi
CAF mpanimfo kyere se enye se omo de license na mo my Ghana ndi eneme bi ayahye omo so omo nye no from na kopem October ne de tosu edu no omba yahwe han no mo yi omo ni omo da ho won kan ha no mo a omo ni da fom se Ghana mpanimfo ni anye dene na ba bi kakra aka no omo nwia license no mbesaje na Accra Sports Stadium ya tumu krokro na wabra General Secretary Edema GFA ensaka nkrata se CAF license no mo de ama wo mo no omo ka kira ban na entempa so oswafo hwa agudie ni mabu no so ene National Sports Authority mpanimfo ade omo ni chi agro pamakese ne so a omo kohwe se ne adwuma no akwakoduru de CAF ka no eno apepepe omo guso onim se enyago pama mrante no begina so asi akan no nkoa washrooms ahodo afi nkunwa ahodo bia na nsem fata no yahye omo so omo nsesa no a niam foforo ka ho no CAF ade ahye sa nkrata nim enti October ne de toso dubaako ebesi fiada my Ghana Accra Sports Stadium yeni Sudan ade bebomu a ye hwe nim so AFCON 2025 no ye ba akoko pie mu bie enye saa na kwesi apiade ne mrante ne betwi fae so a yaso ba yahye ewo group a
right eti no ne de course what Accra Sports Stadium be hesa ne besi akona Honorable Sports Minister Mustafa Yusuf not in Samotuga say ade ba akwa ohun se beboa na pressure da ban so far nisikasebo and national teams no akọ na se be makwan na alcoholic beverages na ade sponsorship ni bia bre national teams na be easy tension e kakrapa yeti se ma Sports Minister ade nhyemu ne ba
beverage companies invest a lot in sports development. When you take the Premiership in UK, for example, you see a lot of alcoholic beverages companies sponsoring the league. But in Ghana, unfortunately for us, the law that we passed in establishing the Food and Drugs Authority, there is a clause there that fringe on any alcoholic beverages in supporting or sponsoring any sporting activity. And key sports stakeholders like the FA, the GALCA, and other federations have raised these issues. So, yet, our populace, Ghanaian populace, we consume most of these foreign sporting events here in Ghana. So the Premiership, you have everybody in Ghana watching the Premiership in any way. Yet in your own country, we are banning that, no, they shouldn't sponsor. So it becomes very difficult when you write to, for example, Guinness Ghana, which in the past was sponsoring our senior national teams and making sure that they invest a lot in sports development. But now they can't do so because of our own laws that we have passed, because of the law, the Food and Drugs Authority law that we have passed. And Mr. Chairman, maybe once we finish, I will refer you to the specific clause so that together, we have raised this concern to Mr. Speaker. When we did the Democracy Cup, the FA had the opportunity of raising this concern to Mr. Speaker. So we can look at that as well, so that we can then create more opportunity for us to have the sports fund and have more revenue in it. One thing in establishing the sports fund, and another thing is being able to do what? Get money, funds into it.
Weighing in some honorable sports minister de to Ghana, Yanko Pimo, the Ghana Football Association president, who are kept so Krakudon in some air to Ghana as a or setting the record straight. Near my view, why I said Ghana for you film with him. A buying and Ghana Football Association Sika, Debbie, a buying Sika, and Ma FO and Shemuni.
The government of Ghana doesn't give GFA any money. The government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, funds national team-related activities through the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Absolutely no money comes into the coffers of the GFA from government. Monies that are used in the management of national teams are paid to the Ministry of Youth and Sports. The ministry do send what they call account or purse holders, and they make all statutory payments. No cedi comes to the FA.
Ghana Football Association President Keto Kreko. Walla natural mineral water. I can't want to pay any something about Walla natural mineral water. I'm okay. And you better move so no pay. No walla. No so walla. No walla na walla na papa no. Walla natural mineral water. Ghanaian Premier League match day 2 outstanding games and if you Matema Kumasi Asante Koroko omani nso atremana de boem so afi sama tesna fi ba bia ni Gold Stars and then be twen draw Koroko wini ye yenko sa games lebo. Nedia Corso or Boaselin Clay Koroko at 3 maximum points prosper Netilgum a coach at the Ma Koroko. So the Niaja pass at 3 points the Inaba.
The boys are doing well, we need to encourage them, and then we need to make sure that we keep the intensity, we keep the determination, and then we keep our sense of focus. So I would say the boys are doing well. We normally exert a lot of energy in the first half trying to create the chances and score. So sometimes it's all about the energy distribution. So sometimes when it gets to that stage, the 75th minute, I mean, you see signs of fatigue setting in, but then they are able to manage it. Once they are able to control the game, give us some stability up to the end of the game, I think it's fine. Unlike Brecum Chelsea, I don't know whether you watch it. Brecum Chelsea, the 75th minute, you are talking about going, we were in charge of the game. So it's not a consistent thing.
Right, and on the Prosper Netelgu Media to Jajikoroko, another 3 points in the bag. Immediate weekend matches Bekoso, Nina, and you may buy the Beba and Kodoko Jinemu. Sasana has to focus on the Legon Stadium, University of Ghana Stadium. I'm Adriana Stars. Now the PMS sectorial debate bash on 11th of October. Kashana so south my wala natural mineral water no munso ye no munsupa wala and I become from our nano pay. Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy will me producers. Kedwana Kasani Erica Siedu Bwedi Pacho. My sister Fiaman Quatama Claudia Pomodi won some better so we are send the aqua ende na say best pay honka krania dia. Akoso hebedwam.